Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel.
My name is Stefan, founder of Bolin 3D. I started my printing journey in October 2019 with £200 and a passion for creating and a desire to generate extra income. I started off with an Ender 3 Pro FDM filament printer from Creality, and I used Tinkercad, a free online creating tool.
Now I have a variety of machines, software applications and methods that can not only 3D print physical objects,
but print onto nearly any surface, having the ability to create and offer a very wide range of products and services,
all achieved on a budget.
And I'm still growing and adapting with newfound knowledge. This channel has been created to benefit anyone this will benefit and is based
around budget-friendly hints, tips, tricks and cheats to printing.
Just like my growth, the content on my channel will be made on a budget,
using only items, products or software that is already to hand or as cheap as can find, or even better, free. Follow me on my journey to budget build success.